Aloha from Hawaii! Welcome back to my hula course. In this lecture, let's learn about Hawaiian beat. Before I show you the basic steps, there is something that I want to talk about. When we practice hula, we need something to keep the beat. So we use this ipu drum. It is a drum made of gourd, and it looks like this. I actually made my ipu by myself, and I love the sound so much, so I hope you enjoy it. Let me show you how I hit the beat on ipu. You first hold your ipu with your left hand, and then hit the beat with your right hand. U-te, u-te-te, u-te, u-te-te. Sounds like that. Now let's clap your hands together with this ipu beat of u-te, u-te-te. Beat is the heart of any dance, so it's very important to get used to it. Here we go. U-te, u-te-te, u-te, u-te-te. How did you like it? I hope you enjoyed. In our next lecture, we will learn how to do our first step, called kao. Mahalo, and see you in my next video.